2020 Sherco 300 Factory Edition. There we go. Alright. Oh. Oh. Whoa. There's neutral. Man, this is nice to ride standing up. Holy. Mr. Luke is on my 200. He wanted to have a little rip and I was more than happy to let him have a go. So we're on a Sherco 300 2020 Factory Edition. Shoot on some flowing trails, so and it's very comfortable standing up. Very. Lots of torque, eh? So much torque. Very different to ride. 200, you're up in the revs, trying to keep her moving, you know. This one you can definitely ride a gear up higher, you know. Intrigued to hear what he thinks of the 200, eh? Man, you get up into the meat of this power. It just wants the wheel stand, doesn't it? Just wants to pull that front wheel up as soon as you get into any power. But yeah, just love the standing position in this. It's very nice. Obviously got bar risers and stuff and nicely set up for standing. I cannot find that back brake though. If he's liking it. Honestly, right now, for this sort of riding, as funny as it is, I'd actually like to be on my bike. Not a powerful 300, I'd like to be actually ringing in the neck of mine a little bit. Be a bit more fun, I think. Having said that, I obviously don't know this bike, I've only just jumped on it. It's definitely an easy bike to ride. Easy bike to ride. Keep going. Good. Want him to have a fair rip on it. Get a decent judgment. Apparently he's a suspension guru, Mr. Luke, so... Oh man. My bike is going to come back to me and go, Joe, why don't you ride me like that? Yeah, Gary's right there. I should never even bother looking back, eh? I mean, I am obviously and always will, but he's always there. Such an amazing rider. This bike's got stegs pegs, obviously a different bar setup and bar risers and stuff like that. So it's, yeah, it's well set up for standing up and riding. It's really nice. It's not my bike. I don't want to do anything silly. So how was it? What do you reckon?
What do you reckon, Joe? You don't want to snap it, do you?
No. No. Look, it's so much more comfortable to stand and ride. Like, I noticed that your bars seem higher and everything's really nice to stand on.
You've got beta bars.
Yeah.
I love it.
So what are your thoughts on the 200?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Power.
Really nice engine.
Yeah. Really nice, hey?
Yeah.
Smooth and revvy and...
Yeah, I don't know. It works for what it is, eh?
Yeah.
It's bloody,
Yeah.
yeah, that's a nice fork. So what are those forks? Are those KYB forks or?
No, they're the, what do you call them? ZF forks.
Sacks.
The cheap ones, yeah.
Yeah.
They call them ZF now, apparently.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can feel the bottom of them pretty quick.
Yeah.
I'm probably too heavy.
But yeah, and you're moving too. I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not riding like you are.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
I mean, I always feel at home on them quicker than them.
Okay. Yep. Yep. Just
They've just got a better feel, like.
a beater.
These ones, they just got a better. I don't know. The foot peg, the handlebar, everything. It's in a better spot.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Get the 300 with the KYB. Yeah.
The racing one. Yeah.
Yeah. I know there's blokes having a bit of trouble here and there, but I still think I might buy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got to make a phone call to Mr. and Mrs. Beta this week. That's what I mean. There's a few blokes having a bit of trouble. Yeah.